you have to figure out all of the exposures you have for permitting requirements at those sites. And not everybody is involved in that process to the degree that they understand all of the permits required. So,
Right. And, with the larger oil and gas companies, you have that expertise, say, in a central office or a corporate office. And, when you get out to the site, you kind of have the operation supervisors, superintendents, OIMs, etc., the leadership out there that they may be in touch with some of it, but again, they're focused on operations. So it's important for the organization to have a manager, HSE, or environmental person to connect with that facility and make sure they have all those pieces in place. And then, most importantly, do training with those guys so they understand what they have to do on a regular basis, whether it's water sampling or visual observations of samples, or opacity observations for air compliance, things like that have to be done and recorded on a regular basis, and make sure they have the correct compliance calendar, if you will, or some other notification, whether it's, it could be quarterly, it could be weekly, depending on the frequency of that particular permit, that they are managing that on the ground. And they have the document, they have things ready if and when an auditor shows up, whether it's an internal auditor or someone from the government shows up on site, and they know where things are. That's very important.